Now that we've created our interface form, we now have to tell the database to automatically open that interface form whenever this database is opened. And we do that using a macro with a specific name. It's called an Autoexecute macro. An Autoexecute macro knows to run automatically whenever the database is opened. So I'm going to go to my Create tab in the ribbon, and I'm going to go to Macro. And in this particular macro, I want it to open a form, and the name of that form is called FRM Interface. I want it to open it in Form View as opposed to Design or Print Preview or any other layout, and I want it to open normal. So that's about it. So I want it to open the form, and then I want it to maximize the form. So I'm going to choose the command maximize or maximize window. So this particular macro will open up the interface form and maximize it. Now I need to save this macro, so I'll hit the save button on my quick access toolbar, and I'll give it the special name Autoexecute. And OK. And I'll close the macro. And in my collection of macros in my navigation pane, you can see Autoexecute. Now in addition to this, I might also set up some current database options. So I'm going to go to File in the menu and choose Options. And what we have on the left hand side is Current Database. I can give this application a title, so I'll call it my Donations Database. And I want it that when it opens this database that it displays the form interface. I want them to see the status bar. I don't want them to see tabbed documents but overlap documents, and I might also ensure that it compacts the database on close. I can also control whether they see the navigation pane or not, and I'll turn that option off. And OK. In order for this to take effect, I must close the database and reopen the database. So I'll do that. I'll click OK, and I'll go to File and I'll close the database. If I now turn around and open the database, Donations, Stage 3, automatically the navigation pane is not displayed. There are no scroll bars or record selectors or navigation buttons on my form, and immediately the interface form also opens. Now I don't like this at the top here where it says FRM Interface. I might make that tidy as well. And there's my Donations Database application title. Let's just return to the design of this particular form. And what I want to do is add a caption to this form. And the caption I want to add is Donations Database Main Menu. And we'll save the form. We'll close the database, File, Close, and we'll open the database again to see how it works. So I'll open up Donations again, and here we have Donations Database Main Menu.